Good morning all. First of all, Ramzan Mubarak everyone. This morning is peaceful and memorable morning for all. Today, uh, today I am going to share about a very interesting topic: a day without mobile phone. Today's mobile phones are a very important part of our life. We use them for calling, chatting, watching videos, and many other things. It is very difficult, and it is very difficult to imagine our life without a mobile phone. It spend it if spend one day without my mobile phone, at first day I will feel uncomfortable and bored. I may feel disconnected from the world. I will not uh, able to check my messages or social media. But after some time, I think I will feel relaxed. uh, I will have more free time. I can read books, help my family, and quality time with my parents, spend many time with my parents and myself, and focus more on my goals. Without a mobile phone, I can also improve my communication skills by talking directly to people. I can go outside, enjoy I enjoy nature beauty, and spend to myself. My opinion, sometimes spending a day without mobile phone is very good for our mental health. It helps us reduce stress and increase focus on your goal. We should try to stay away from our mobile phones for some time, and use our time in a productive way. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please support, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.